what do they? Edmonton, Toronto. Yo. When my rifle beat, boy, I feel drop down.
Yeah, I mean, I said big and bad, straight. So many things happen in this country. One on a scamming, a gunshot. One on a gunshot, a people are rob people, a people are set up people. So everybody are get caught up in the foolishness. You see what I say? So, you see what I say? Yesterday, a little incident happened to all me. This man, me, man, I tell you what a little incident happened to him. So, he come like a peer crisis of other people right now. A little incident happened to me yesterday at one cash pad place, right? I text you, so. At Old Road, we turn off on the road, they stop like to go. I steal them this up. One girl in the cash pad place sell me. I tell her I have to repeat my number them. 2 set of number. She print the number them for 10-30 pounds. See? I give her $1,000. She give me back $550. Right? When I realize she not print the number them for £4. So I'm the second pound for the rest of the day. Yeah. She not do that. And then she got tell me, say no, say she did tell me, I mean she never tell me nothing. When me go back to clarify with her now to get back my 370 from her. Because I give her somebody $1,000 to print number and she print it for $80. Everything comes to $80. We supposed to get 920. She not give me 920, she give me 550. You understand me? I mean I rob people, everybody know me. So I rob people. You see me? Imagine we are gamble every day and we are lose. And somebody will sell the Supreme Venture, I go rob you $370 away. And on a portion of money, Rasta. It look like this girl I want her lunch money. You see what I say? So when me go back to check her now, she will tell me, say, yo. She will tell me, say, no overs in the drawer. When she done put the money in her blood clot pocket. See what I say? Supreme Venture people be careful. As some of them girls they want to get the cell phone because enough of them are thief and criminal. That's what I say. Right now, I don't really go back for the money there. See what I say? I make it stay away there. Me stay, take the loses. That's what I say. Because I go try to get somebody else. And I try never see the boss, our boss, will respond for the gas station to go back to her and tell her. And this man, when I go around, I see the boss park up there. And I couldn't come out of the bus because I come around. Reach about late. So I say, yo, a lot of people are facing a lot of things out there. Crime is turning up. You see why people kill people. And you say some people innocent. And the girl know within herself, say she rob you and take your money. You understand what I say? Yeah. And she that spit fire say she give back all of my money. You see what I say? And I show you. I saw some of them stay. But me I worry myself about it, to show me I say. In God I put my trust. And what she do me left somebody to do she something. Me not send nobody to do her nothing, if you understand me. When I want to do, somebody else will do. Don't talk.
Play this fight like Lennox Lewis, now right. I circle them and spam tight, red like it's a damn stoplight.